Hello friends! Before watching our video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Today we present to you the unique 1966 Ford F-150 regular cab, currently available for $45,000. This magnificent vehicle, painted in a noble blue color with a black interior, has undergone a complete restoration and represents a true work of art. This F-150 has undergone a thorough restoration that took 2 years and was completed just 2 months ago. It is equipped with air suspension, with the front part from the Mustang II and the rear part on a 4-link suspension. This provides the perfect combination of comfort and performance, making every journey amazing. Inside, you'll find a black interior that accentuates the luxury of this truck. The power setup includes a restored 390 engine that works in conjunction with a C6 front hub. Every detail of this truck has been restored or replaced, highlighting its excellent condition. This 1966 Ford F-150 is not just a truck, it's a work of art with history and beautiful lines. It's ready to meet a new owner and become a bright star in a collection or on the road. 2. Introducing the magnificent 1963 Chevrolet Nova, currently available for $69,990. This car is in perfect condition, having undergone a recent restoration, and is equipped with everything necessary to provide you with an unparalleled driving experience. With this Nova, you'll get not only a beautiful car, but also incredible performance. Under the hood is a powerful 406 small block V8, complemented by the Holley Sniper fuel injection system. To ensure maximum control and maneuverability, it features a chassis from Chris Alston, and Wilwood disc brakes provide reliable braking on all 4 wheels. The Nova's interior is equally impressive, with warm tan finishes. The Dakota Digital Dash provides modern information display technology, emphasizing the blend of classic and contemporary elements. This car is also equipped with a 5-speed Tremec manual transmission, giving you full control over every shift. Summing up all these features, it can be stated that the 1963 Chevrolet Nova is not just a car, it's a work of art, combining beauty, performance, and advanced technology. With only 500 miles on the odometer, it's ready to give its new owner unique experiences and the joy of driving. 3. For sale is a stunning 1967 Chevrolet Camaro, offering you the opportunity to acquire it for just $17,000. This car is in excellent condition, and although some details require attention, it is ready to bring the joy of driving and the satisfaction of owning a classic muscle car to its new owner. The body and floors of this Camaro are sturdy and in good condition, but there are minor issues with the rear fenders that require replacement. Originally equipped with a 327 cubic inches engine and a 4-speed manual transmission, the car now features a rebuilt 283 cubic inches engine added during the rebuild. To ensure reliable engine performance, improvements have been made, such as a professionally rebuilt carburetor, a new distributor, coil, and fuel pump. The transmission has also been replaced with a 3-speed fully synchronized manual gearbox, equipped with a factory shifter. The interior of the Camaro is completely preserved and in good condition. Despite a few minor defects, such as small tears in the headliner and the need for replacement door panels, the overall appearance of the interior is pleasant and offers a comfortable driving experience. Additionally, the owner includes numerous new parts to enhance the exterior and preserve the car's originality. Among them are many new moldings, badges, trim pieces, and rubber seals, providing you with the opportunity to give this 1967 Chevrolet Camaro even more shine and restore it to its original beauty. 4. As of today, the beautiful 1958 Edsel Ranger is awaiting its new owner for just $14,500. This car is an excellent example of the style and elegance of the late 1950s and is currently in great condition, thanks to the care of its owner. The 2-door Edsel Ranger has been updated with new interior upholstery, and its rebuilt 390 engine ensures reliable performance. The original transmission and power steering system, along with a new front suspension, brakes, and dual exhaust, make this car dependable and enjoyable to drive. This Edsel Ranger is a solid vehicle with a green exterior and white interior, giving it a special charm. The seller has decided to part with the car due to downsizing their collection, providing a unique opportunity to acquire a magnificent representation of the golden era of automotive design. 5. For $2,450, you can acquire the elegant 1984 Lincoln Continental. This splendid car, with a mileage of 103,000 miles, is currently awaiting its next owner. Presented in burgundy with a gray interior, it creates a magnificent visual impression. The 1984 Lincoln Continental is an embodiment of luxury and comfort. With an automatic transmission, a V8 5.0 engine, and all the options, this car not only promises reliable performance, but also offers the driver and passengers numerous possibilities. This car has had only 2 owners, and it has been cared for with love and attention. A perfectly functioning heater, air conditioner, and included winter tires make it season-ready and an ideal choice for those seeking a balanced combination of style and functionality. 6. For sale is a magnificent 1965 Chevrolet Impala Super Sport convertible, available for $40,000. This unique car, with 75,813 miles, offers not only a beautiful snow-white exterior, but also an elegant red leather interior. The model is equipped with a 327 cubic inch engine and a Powerglide automatic transmission, providing not only a stylish but also a powerful ride. Front disc brakes and a smoothly functioning electric top make this Impala SS not only stylish but also convenient to use. The car is completely free of rust, providing a clean foundation for your road adventures. Despite the need for some cosmetic work on the paint, this Impala is ready for use in its current condition. Upon purchase, additional parts are included, along with a complete audio system with 12-inch Alpine subwoofers. This unique offer is for true enthusiasts of classic cars, combining style, performance, and the unique joy of driving. 7. For sale is a delightful 1961 Chrysler 300 sedan, offered at a price of $27,500. This beautiful car with 86,279 miles is a Newport model 2-door hardtop, showcasing not only an elegant snow-white exterior, but also a well-maintained white interior with a woven pattern. Since its initial purchase at Earl C. Anthony Chrysler in San Francisco in the spring of 1961, the car comes with all the necessary documentation and records, including service records. The engine is original, 361, with heads upgraded for unleaded gasoline use. The intake has been upgraded to a 4-barrel setup using original Chrysler parts. The original 2-barrel carburetor and intake manifold are also included. This car comes equipped with numerous options, including sure grip, limited slip, rear axle, power-operated antenna, remote control mirrors, golden tone radio, power steering and brakes, clock, seat belts, and full wheel covers. Everything on the car is original, except for a high-quality repaint in the correct Alaskan white shade in 2019. This reliable and stylish vehicle is ready for trips to any destination. 8. For sale is an eye-catching car, the 1962 Chevrolet Chevy Nova, available for $12,500. This magnificent car with a black exterior and interior will highlight your style and is ready to attract admiring glances. With this car, owned by only 2 owners, you won't have to worry about starting. It jumps into motion instantly, and its powerful 350 cubic inch engine with a camshaft creates an amazing sound that won't leave onlookers indifferent. The transmission is also a 350, providing smooth and comfortable driving. This car rightfully boasts a clean title, as well as updated registration data, adding confidence in its current condition. Your ride in this Chevrolet Chevy Nova promises to be not only stylish, but also exhilarating, thanks to its power and reliability. 9. Currently for sale is an amazing 1958 Ford for $7,899. This rare car, with 78,000 miles on it, is a true find for vintage car enthusiasts. With its unique red exterior and beige interior, this Ford grabs attention, and its price makes it especially attractive. Equipped with a manual transmission, 3-speed on the column, this car features a powerful 289 cubic inch V8, adding dynamics and style. Despite minor body issues due to a rear-end collision, the car still performs excellently and travels the road with dignity. The car comes with a new battery, brakes, and fluids, enhancing its overall performance. The interior with black carpet and silver seats emphasizes the cleanliness and style of this car. The heater is in working condition, and the distinctive rumble of the exhaust system adds a unique character to your ride. 10. For sale is a unique 1967 American Rouge AMC for $21,500. This magnificent car, with 50,000 miles on it, is a true artifact of automotive history. Its streamlined red exterior, complemented by a black interior, makes it stylish and impressive. Equipped with a powerful V8 343 Typhoon engine that generates 270 horsepower and a factory 4-barrel carburetor, this car offers a distinctive driving experience. The automatic transmission ensures smooth and comfortable control, and the convertible top adds extra elegance to your ride. This car is also equipped with power steering and brake systems, making it easy to handle and ensuring safe braking characteristics. The car is ready for thrilling adventures, turning every journey into a unique and memorable event.